Hi foodsters, welcome to Madam Foodster. Today we are going to prepare healthy and delicious Russian salad. Let's start by boiling 2 glasses of water. When the water is heated up, add a cup of sweet corn. Boil the sweet corns for 5 minutes to make it soft. Now it's the time to strain the water. Take the boiled sweet corns in the mixing bowl. Now add chopped carrot, tomato, cabbage, capsicum, onion, and mix all well. To flavor the salad, now it's time to add salt as per taste, black pepper, mixed herbs, and 4 big spoons of mayonnaise. If you like tangy flavor of salad, then you can add a teaspoon of vinegar or a teaspoon of lemon juice. So foodsters, our healthy and tasty Russian salad is all set to have. You can serve the salad with any snacks you like.